Hey friend, hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we have a lot to talk about. Stay tuned. Hey friends, Happy New Year. This is my first video of 2022. And when I looked up what 2022 meant, as far as a spiritual meaning, it means happiness and success. So this year, we're aiming for success. I actually had how ironic, 22. I had two videos that I tried to upload, but somehow it didn't upload. So this video hopefully is not too long. We're going to try to get through what we did and those videos that didn't upload. So what I wanted to start with is our sinking funds, what we are going to begin with in the month of January and what we're going to end with. I didn't do this for December. I'm trying to get myself in order, how I want to do my videos and how I want to show what I do. So with that being said, let's look at these sinking funds. We're going to start with our people binder. And I'm going to move my little Zen plant over. Bye, Zen. Let's get all this in camera shot. All right. Let's just keep going. So with Shania. Oh, also you see this black. This is just cardstock that I just wanted to get a different feel for it. So for the beginning of January, Shania is going to have 50, 1, 50, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So Shania altogether has $304. Let's get a pencil. We're going to write in the beginning 304. I should have used a pen, huh? You get what I'm trying to do. Stuff that back in here. Nadia has, for the beginning of January, 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 319 Nadia has. So we're going to write 319. I hope everyone's New Year's and the first week of January is going well. I am trying to make some changes with my sinking funds and just my channel, trying to figure out what I want to do, but it all comes together. So with Kaimana, again, my video that did not load, with her, I actually took all of her, oh, look at the rain. It just started raining. Friend, why my video stopped recording and I was still talking? Anywho, Kaimana, let's see what Kaimana has. Everything that I took out for her from her piggy bank is also being added into her sinking fund. So with Kaimana, we have 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 4, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Kaimana has 437 starting 2022. And you see, I totally skipped the 10s. I do apologize if my whole camera shakes. For some reason, when I'm sitting at any type of desk, my dog, Pumbaa, likes to get underneath the desk. I don't know why underneath the desk, but that's where he is. Okay. Oh, he must have heard me. He set up. All right, so speaking of Pumbaa, we changed his name from Pumbaa to Pet Care because anything dealing with the vet or if we need to get him groomed, he has $20. That's all that we have in here for him starting out in 2022, his sinking fund. So that's why I changed it to Pet Care. Not really for Pumbaa, but his care. All right, moving on to allowance. Again, our allowance is all of the core classes. Their grades did come out on the 17th of December, so I do have to pay them out for what they got. So for right now, our allowance is 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82. And I think I need to make some change for their payout. And I will put that, where is the allowance? 200. I will make a video about me paying the kids out for their grades. So my brother had to pull some expenses out for his business. So let's see what he's working with for the beginning of January. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So my brother has $23 for his fund, his sinking fund. So my brother's down here, that's 23. And gifts, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 25 for gifts. And we haven't stuffed anything for our all-man binder. Alrighty, so we're gonna go with our new binder. Look at that. We have our little man home. Alrighty, so HOA, we're not gonna count this because this is about to get paid out. We do our HOA quarterly, so for the month of January, this is what we have to pay out. So moving over to health. Oh, was it already open? Health, we has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's put 50 for health. Where are you? 50. Pull you up. Date night. So date night is our family time, and family date night, it's all the same. We can have a date with our kids as well. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. $75 for family time / date night. So we have $75. And then traveling, I'm going to count this, but as you know, that time is approaching where we're about to take a travel to be in this wedding. So we have 1, 50, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 399. I should just add $1 in here just to make it 400. But we did that, y'all. We did that. Okay. So we are with traveling. We have $399. Okay. Household. So household was named home improvement. I think it still rings a bell. So still the same thing. Household, home improvement, anything dealing with the house. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We have 150 for our house. And as you see right here, 150. So I pre-filled the tracker so that I wouldn't have to do it on camera, just to save us some time. my wife's rims. We have 20. Oh, I see a 50 in here. Let's start over. We have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150. $150 for car, flooring, and rims. So where are we? Car flooring, we have 150. And what do we have back here? Car maintenance. I hope you guys like the way I set up my my little envelopes. I'll probably be changing them throughout the year because I just can't keep still when it comes to certain things like this. I see something, I want to try it. 20, 40, 60. But one thing I have to make sure I do is put it in my budget. Car maintenance right now, we have $60. All right, what we're missing? We're missing hair. We're missing debt snowball. So what I did was, here's another binder that I had, and I just cut some cardstock and put some things up here, just something, right? It's something. So this binder is going to be my savings challenge binder, in which I'm going to do another video about all the savings challenges that I'm going to be doing this year. But for right now, we're worried about hair and we're worried about the debt snowball. So let's see where we have hair. I put under beauty because everybody knows they feel like a totally different person once they get their hair did. I know I do. Call me, I don't know. Anyway, so for hair or beauty, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So for hair, we have 120, or beauty, we have 120. And for that snowball, oh, that didn't want to come out, did it? We have 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 3, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 5, 80. We have 380 for debt snowball. 380. All right, all right, all right, all right. So let's add, let me close these. Let's add all of this up. Let's get down just a little bit. There we go. We have 304 plus 319. Oh. Let's add all this up. All right, you guys, let's see if you can see that. It's getting kind of dark in here because I'm right by the window and it's starting to rain. So we have $2,712 that we're starting out with. All right. All right, friends, thank you for rocking with me for the rest of the video. As you see, our beginning January balance is $2,712. We're going to keep this growing. We're going to keep it moving. And of course, we're going to keep stuffing this money. So please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Get that algorithm going. And as always, I love you guys.